Slowly lowering the hands down to rest in front of Dantian. Palms facing upwards. And then separate the palms. Separate the fingers out to the sides. And from here you're going to draw circles which go forwards. So if you just watch me now. So you slightly lean over and then leading with the backs of your hands, pushing them forwards. Very nice relaxed movement, slight bend in the waist. And then when your hands reach the front, bring the palms to face each other. And then drawing back in towards Dantian, but not touching. So again, spreading the palms, the fingers. And you can do 6 or 9 circles in this way. So the backs of the hands are leading out. Leaning forward slightly and then turning, drawing the chi back into Dantian. Finish the circles, just women placing the right hand flat on Dantian with the left hand on top, men the left hand on Dantian with the right hand on top. And just to finish this exercise now, we're going to do some circles around Dantian, but a little bit different from how you've done them before. So you're going to circle in a clockwise direction, starting with small circles, making them larger for 9 circles, and then you're going to reverse that direction. So just starting small, 9 circles, working your way around. So around the whole trunk of the body, and then reversing the direction with the large circles getting smaller for 9 times. And then just closing the eyes and taking the time to observe any changes in your emotions, in the way your body feels, any sensations you notice anywhere in the body or the mind. And then just allowing the hands just to drop down by your sides. And breathing 2 or 3 times into Dantian.